Welcome to Auto News. Third Mainland Bridge temporarily shuts down. The Lagos State government has said that the Third Mainland Bridge will temporarily shut down for 3 days, beginning from midnight of August 23rd to midnight 26th, 2018, to allow for investigative maintenance tests to be carried before embarking on proper repairs in the future. Plans to shut down the bridge had earlier been announced in July by the federal government, but they had to shelve the closure after consultation with the Lagos State government and other relevant stakeholders. The 3-day closure would enable the contractors assess the true state of the bridge after works would commence by the end of the year or early in 2019. Motorists were urged to use the following alternative routes. People commuting from Lagos, Abeokuta, Agege, Ogba, and Ikeja to make use of Oshodi via Mushi, Ojuelegba to connect Kata Bridge into the island, while those from Ikorodu, Maryland, are to make use of Funshaw Williams Avenue, formerly Western Avenue, via Yaba to Oyingbo, and connect Eco Bridge into the island. Motorists from Okokomaiko, Festac, Oshodi Apapa Expressway are to ply through Ajegunle via Marine Bridge to Ijora to connect Kata Bridge to Akbongbon into Lagos Island. Motorists from the island are expected to ply Eco Bridge and Kata Bridge into mainland, while those in Lekki Aja can also make use of Ekpe axis through Imota into Ikorodu. That's all on Auto News today.
Please log on to our Facebook page at Auto Expert Pro and you can post your comments and questions there. Also, you can contact us on Twitter at Auto Expert Pro. Also, you can email us, share your thoughts with us at videoguruentertainment@yahoo.com and autoexpertpro@gmail.com. Have a fabulous day, guys, and live big, people.